Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a power bank. This model is Goui, and this power bank is charging port is USB port is damaged. So how can you open this one? So first you need the thinner. You have to buy this thinner and put it in the syringe, and then you little bit thinner you have to put the side of this power bank. Okay, this thinner will open the glue from inside, and after that I need a indicator, and I have to put inside. It's like this, and you can see it's opening. And this side also I have to put indicator first. I use some thinner, not too much, have to use just little bit to open this. And you need a screwdriver. And guys, now I will put the screw here inside. It's a little bit hard. This is very hard, guys, to remove the power bank. You know, it locks from inside, it's not from outside. So you have to open it slowly. See, if you need, you put some little bit glue also, some thinner also. See this side also, you need to put some thinner. See, it's very hard. And this is the USB port is broken, and put it inside. And now guys, I have to open this and resoldering the charging port. So I try. This company is very hard to open. Goui is good companies. See, all the locks is broken. It's locked from inside. See, okay guys, I have to open this wire, and I remove this socket to fix the USB. Okay, this is the USB. So I will open this, and then I take USB from here, or you can buy the USB port, or you can buy this whole device from online, but I just changed this USB port. So this power bank is very hard to open. Okay guys, now I have to remove the old one, the broken one, and here is the new one. So I will put this here, and I will soldering this both of sides. So first I have to solder this point. First I soldering this port and then I go to solder the other side. This 4 port here I have to soldering. Okay guys, I have to soldering this port. Okay guys, now I return back this USB port here. Okay, then I connect this battery connection. This side is plus. Now I'll check charger. See, now it's charging.
বাংলা বোর্ডে কাজ করতেছে না বড় করবে
Okay guys, now this done.